Alright guys, here we are. It is finally time, clearly time, to pull pot number 3 of our potatoes. Alright, so I just had to show you guys this. This is my third pot of potatoes, and they are freaking loving this spot. I wish I had known this in the beginning, but that's why they call it a test. But I have to say, there's not even anything eating these leaves. They look gorgeous. Super healthy. Today is September 20th, so still has plenty of time to finish up. And nothing has dug in here, it looks like, since I put more mulch on top, so that's nice. Yeah, I pulled out a few things that died off underneath, and everything else has just sprung back like crazy. So yeah, this is exciting. I think that there will be more potatoes in pot 2 than there was, oh, I'm sorry, this is pot number 3, than there was in pot number 1. So this is potato pot number 3, and it is going crazy. Still looking really nice. They're really healthy for the most part. Yeah, for the most part. It's like holes all around it. Something is clearly living near, if not underneath it. I don't know, should be worried about that, but yeah, potatoes are doing amazing. Mushrooms everywhere. Husband made a pile of them the other day. But yeah, so this is pot number 3. Over here we have, I said pot number 2, I meant pot number 3, because we just harvested pot number 2. And we have mushrooms growing. Gee, wonder if that's good or bad for potatoes. But I will say, this pot was, I thought it was at least 3 weeks behind pot number 2, but it's looking pretty much just as done. This is how pot number 2 looked about 5 days ago, before we got all that rain and I had to wait. And then, as you saw, it was completely died off. But this one is also pretty much there. So I think I'm working the next couple of days, but as soon as I get a free day, this one will be next. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see if that affects our potatoes at all. Again, it has been very wet this past week, so not totally surprising, but it is the first time I've seen it, so we shall see. Here we are on this gorgeous New England fall day, November 6th. It's about 70 degrees, and I think it's a perfect day to get these potatoes out. Let's see if we can get some of this done before the chainsaws start again. First, mulch. You all know even this part can be exciting because you never know what you're going to see. Just pulling the top off. Now these were all part of the experiment. This one I did also practice hilling up. So once they sprouted and got to a certain point, I covered them again. So the hay is pretty deep. Hopefully that means I have more potatoes. Quite frankly, last time it didn't. I had more potatoes from the first pot that I didn't hill up. So, excited to compare them all, but it'll definitely determine what we do next year. Just gonna go ahead and get some of that out of there. And they're fresher, a lot of the potatoes will come up with it, but once they get to this point, they usually don't. At least not in my experience. One little Katie. Kevin likes to call them kitties. Alright. First of this. It's still very damp. We've had a great week this week. much that there were mushrooms on top of this. So it is still very damp. And yeah, I have no idea how that's going to affect the potatoes. You're going to find out. So this is, I think, between the first layer and the second layer that you're starting to see the straw break down. I love this so much. Ooh.
How are you doing?
I'm filming myself pulling my potatoes. Why? Do you want to come help? I've learned to be a self-sufficient YouTuber because usually no one around.
You just missed the bowl.
Oh no! Get back here! Can't have that. Just still taking mulch off, so. I don't really know what's in here yet, but there's always a few cuties right on top. There's always a chainsaw going in the background. Alright, well there are a whole bunch on top. I'll probably pull those before I tip. Let's see. Kitty kitties. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, that's decent size. Over here, not our tuck. There. Just keep digging or dump the whole thing. I have to dump at some point. Might as well just do it. Half the lawn on the bottom. Ooh, it just fell out. Ooh, this is still so wet. Ooh, look at all the potatoes. Yay. Okay, ooh, sticky seed potato. Thanks for coming. That's alright, not too bad. Probably not too much more in here though. Nature exit mysterious daughter. Helping her mother film. You didn't ask. I know. Thank you. Here. All summer long. Every single weekend. Every single nice day. Alright. That might be it. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. I'll take it. Well, there it is. Beautiful autumn day. The sound of leaf blowers and chainsaws is never going to stop, so if I'm ever going to get this video done, it just is what it is. So yeah, I'll weigh these up and let you know what I get. Nothing big. So far, I'm convinced that not hilling it up has produced better results. So I think I'm going to do more of that next year and see if that proves true. But stay tuned. There is still pot number 4 if it makes it. We shall see. If the weather stays like this, it's got a pretty good chance. But what are the odds of that happening? We are in New England after all. 70 today. It will probably snow tomorrow. And honestly, that's no joke. but definitely stick around and you'll see.